Trap house mob.
Roll another one.
Sit up, never like you know it's special packet with the automatics. We gon' send them to heaven. Wait.
It's so beautiful. It's cutie. It's a cute bag.
Okay.
Rock, scissors, paper, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Work on everybody. Intense are out. You know them?
I don't know who name I want.
You know out.
I know what intensity. I don't know what I sing there.
Imam song man. You know it's Imam.
What song? What song there?
Hard or bread or bun? Bread, any day.
Yeah. Big mama, big mama, big mama. Big me wet when he call me big. Yeah, so when he call me big mama, yeah, that
Move. She like the way that I rock. She like the way that I woo. And she let it clap for a nigga.
Clap for a nigga.
And she throw it back for a nigga.
Yeah, she throw it back for a nigga.
Mac and Mary. Billie Jean. Christian Dior. I'm up in all the stores. When it rains, it pours. She like the way I Mac and Mary. Billie Jean.
Pretty little the time.
Listen, I know how to speak, and it is French. Je parle français. So please do not ask me what.
What you call it?
Lingerie. There are coins in it. Hey, me, I'm looking at me, and I said, who's last man that I look for me?
Do we like it? It's so beautiful. It's cutie. It's a cute bag.
Okay.
Would you let your daughter wear this?
I already know myself, me having a look, brother. You know, you used to look, you know. Then you forget, look at your life. But if I wouldn't look yet, try. Watch out, you have a spinning. Watch out. Spin now? Yeah, you get no more. So I'm not get you know.
It just meant me.
What is this?
Gift card?
What is
that?
This. Gizzle.
What's that?
It's a tote bag.
Jesus. We don't want to come. We don't want to talk back, you know. What talk back for?
When you think you're getting a gift voucher?
Oh,
I can't. What?
I think we can. Talk back can't work, eh? Let me see. I'm not pulling.
Catch a 10,000. Speak to it. 10,000.
10,000. So I will pose another picture. You can try again. Get it.
It's so long. Wait, a ring? Ring. Let me see a tote bag, good girl. Let me see a ring.
Roll another one.
Sit up, never like you know it's special packet with the automatics. We gon' send them to heaven. Wait. She like the way that I dance. She like the way that I move. She like the way that I rock. She like the way that I woo. And she let it clap for a nigga.
Clap for a nigga.
And she throw it back for a nigga.
Yeah, she throw it back for a nigga.
Work on everybody. I'll start it off with Wagwan. But we're gonna do kind of. Oh, we have our. We're at. No, start over. No, wait till I'm rush it in. Alright, so Wagwan everybody. So we're out in Harajuku, Japan, just enjoying the day with brunch. And now we're having some tapioca.
Bubble tea.
Bubble tea. This is a specialty in Japan. Yeah, man, what if a balls in it?
What flavor you having?
I'm having the triple berry flavor.
Ooh,
It has coconut, strawberry, tapioca. They call it pearl, blueberry, a lot of berries in it. What are you having?
Passion fruit. We're both having the passion fruit with coconut jelly and some pearl.
Alright, so we're gonna go into it now.
Big balls.
Big balls, them like.
Ready?
Anyway,
Big balls tonight, yours.
that means I'm like big balls. Wipe on that, man.
Let's go.
Anyway, let's go. Shake it, shake it, shake it.
How do you shake, man?
Just shake again, bro. Anyway, let's go. One.
No, I'm gonna post like this. Come on.
Oh, boy. Ready, 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, so we're gonna drink and play a game.
We have cookie.
Oh, we have
We
cookie.
found a special spot. This one is chocolate chip coconut oatmeal.
Which one is? Rosemary coconut oatmeal.
Try.
Ooh,
Sip
this
and
one is
eat.
delicious.
It is.
So, we're gonna play a game of this and that Jamaican food edition or Jamaican things edition. And the first thing we're gonna start off. Oh, by the way, I never introduced them. Oh, been introduced them. Shinita, good girl. The good girl. And then you have Deja, the bad and bougie girl. And then you have Kiji, the bad and bougie girl. I'm joking about bad and bougie, but you know the thing said. Alright, so we're gonna play a game of this and that. Jamaican edition. Alright, so
What's Mary?
we're gonna start. First thing, which one would you prefer? Sardine or corned beef?
Sardine.
I like both, but I have to choose one.
I don't like the smell.
You don't like the smell?
You just like the smell of corned beef?
I don't like the smell of sardine. The smell is not a bit.
Corned beef, me just don't know something about it. And even I cook it down, but me not Jamaican, so cook it over the onion or something.
No corned beef, I don't like.
Alright, so I love corned beef. However, when you cook it on, it burn my chest.
Both sardine and corned beef burn my chest.
Oh, so make I choose corned beef.
The rosemary strong in it.
Oh, no, only just a chop or rosemary and a half. No, sir. You don't listen, you know? Oh my God.
How is it?
It's good. But anyway,
But you choose corned beef.
I'm going to choose corned beef. I love it too,
I
man.
choose corned beef.
I'm going to choose corned beef.
Give me some mixed
I think corned beef is more versatile.
More versatile. Cabbage. You can have it with just seasoning like onions, garlic, stuff like that.
I don't like the
Sardine is too raw, man.
I like fish. I like fish.
It's not bad, man.
sardine. It probably smells nice, but I just can't eat the corned beef.
Alright, next one. Which one you prefer? Bread or rice? Easy. Bread or rice?
Rice.
Right through your further.
Me choose bread.
Bread as a snack.
On.
For eat,
But
for full up belly, for belly full, right.
Bread me there.
But rice can go with anything.
Bread can go with anything.
Bread can't really go with anything.
Bread can go with anything.
Bread.
I want bread with the saggy.
Me love it.
So you do bread with like curry and bread too saggy. Bread is very versatile.
They can't put bread with curry chicken like you said.
You can put bread with anything.
But it's saggy. Remember
Next year.
pumpkin rice, callaloo rice,
Rice and
white
beef.
rice and beef.
I prefer bread. Me
These
don't know why
rice.
I prefer bread.
Butter rice.
Me never used to
White
eat.
rice.
I never used to eat rice when we did in high school. I did cut out it, and when time I go home, my mother would give me bread, and my brother and sister them eat. My brother them would eat rice. So since I go to university now, and I get poor, I start eat. What I did always poor, but I start eat rice back. I don't really like rice, but yeah, I bread me choose. Anyway, which one I choose? Bread or bulla?
What we are into this?
Bread or bulla? Bread and cheese, bulla and cheese.
Bull and cheese.
Bread and pear, bull and pear.
Bull and pear.
Bull and pear. Bull and
So when I
cheese.
was younger, I used to like pear. My father used to force me to eat pear and bulla.
Really?
And then I get older now, so I come to Japan and I miss them because you know the
Yeah,
yogurt up there.
yeah.
I want the bulla and
I
pear.
love pear, I like pear alone with salt.
No, I just start eating me buy
You're
pear.
coming from Jamaica? Bring some bulla for me. Me like the yummy bulla that brand me like nice. And me the business if it's
But I choose bun though. Bun over bulla.
Bun a bulla straight.
Bun or bulla?
no KJ, no, we have to talk buns. No. Bun and bulla, definitely the bun.
If I sitting there, HTB bun.
Me not business.
We not choose HCB, but HCB bun rice.
Don't call out HTB like that
Little
on
butter.
internet.
You see ever bun and butter yet? Put little ginger tea in the morning. You can't eat bun for breakfast. You can't have it for lunch. You can't have it for dinner with me.
H-B bun. Dry.
HTB bun me love.
Me love Miss Birdie bun. The one with the fruit tonight.
Miss Birdie bun are.
Me will choose a fruit bun.
Miss Birdie is a good brand. And Miss Birdie have the best crackers. But more into the bun. The bun.
Me don't know about Miss Birdie, bro. Never eat that before.
The bun are. What's your favorite one? HTB bun.
HTB bun. No eat that.
Miss Birdie. If you watch
that
this,
time.
I love the bun.
Me just love Miss Birdie, but I don't know about Miss Birdie. Crackers.
Miss Birdie, if you watch this, with the Tokyo, send some bun come.
What else? I could ask again. Next thing, which one you love? Chippies banana chips or St. Mary's banana chips?
Alright. What's that one?
Alright, chippies, it kind of close to my heart. But, let me tell you something. Send me a banana chips and it's spoiled. Send me a banana chips spoiled fast.
Rancid bad.
Send me a banana chips spoiled fast. And then it just stale. Like stale.
Rancid.
Mama tell you, I feel like chippies are all of us because we grew up eating chippies.
I beg to differ.
Hold on, I grew up eating chippies. I like both banana chips, but I feel like for longevity purposes, people say chippies. But same way banana chips nice when it's fresh. But just I'm thinking it's stale. And I'm into it.
But chippies,
some of that's chippies.
That's all something there, chippies.
Can't chippies sometimes you want to look for
Chippies are not for me. St. Mary's banana chips any day, every day. No chippies.
St. Mary's banana chips.
Chippies chip up my mouth.
St. Mary's banana chips, you know. You ever open the banana cheese and drop in St. Mary's banana. Oh, this is what it's like. It's like a family.
What's with these?
When I say banana cheese and chippies,
banana chips.
And you just go with all the St. Mary's banana chips and crush it up like a bit.
Give me a high five, girl.
Come on, drop it. What up? Mommy's Jamaica right now.
I never know. Let me tell you something. I don't know if you go like this. We used to put in the banana chips with the cheese, and we get some cheesies, we drop in it, and bite it same way. Give me a high five. Sorry for you.
Back to bad.
back to bad. Hold on. Mr. That try ketchup. When I put the banana chips in the bun with the cheesies.
Yes, and the cheese. And you bite it.
I crunch and
if my friend them from high school can watch this video and say, yes, I do it. Because I know so we usually do it.
Is that no?
Is that no?
You haven't tried it, don't
knock before you try it below.
Knock it to the
Delicious. Knock. Listen, it was delicious. What else? Next thing, suppogen or peanut punch?
Jesus Christ, I want to rock.
Suppogen.
Suppogen.
Get up. You have to drop little salt. You put salt in your suppogen? My mother tell me something. I'll go tell you something now. It's when you give me suppogen, just drop the salt in it.
These are the drink when I drink sex?
The thing drinks away stuff. No more water.
I still want drink.
I found way more water.
This is nice. I found it in it.
Well then no. This or that. This or that. Caramel porridge or peanut porridge?
Lord, see. Peanut never too.
Why am I not gonna tell a lie? As me that say, caramel porridge is just like chippies, the longevity. We grew up as grandparents, great-grandparents.
But you know, I love peanut porridge.
But peanut porridge, when I know it was up at different kind of taste when I
Peanut more.
Oh my God, man, it blow my mind. I don't know about nobody.
Me used to young and play
blow my
tennis.
mind.
Me used to have peanut porridge a morning time with breakfast and something. Peanut porridge bad enough.
Bad man.
And again, I the same thing back to when I was younger. Me used to eat cornmeal porridge. Right now, my parents don't know how me know to make cornmeal porridge. Me never used to watch them make the cornmeal porridge. Me never used to drink the cornmeal porridge. And since I come to Japan, I just want to be home. I want peace of home.
If you know me, you know I'm addicted to porridge.
Listen, the porridge girl. The way all me eat cornmeal porridge. You see right now in my household, my son, every Wednesday is cornmeal porridge day. And you better wake up Wednesday man not making porridge. Because if you wake up and not smell the porridge from the stove,
problem.
Grandma, you not making porridge today? Mommy, she's not making porridge today. Listen man, my mother cornmeal porridge twice for the week. You know,
I love the porridge.
They used to make it well in my house, but I just never used to like it. Breakfast, morning time, cornmeal porridge, like a bread, egg, with a pressed plantain or whatever. But me?
Oh! This or that.
Green plantain or red plantain? Green plantain.
I'm not sure about green
Press it
plantain.
out, sprinkle like a salt.
right through.
Right planting.
Right planting boil.
No, me not go against them.
Right planting boil nice.
Boil right now.
When you have the green plant, crush down with the same, but I'm crushing it, you just jump with salsa. You flip them
Me love both of them, you know?
Me not do the boil plantain. Ripe
When you
plantain.
hot and just go down your throat and burn you.
And I have it all with some dumpling. I have some salsa and onion, some sweet pepper. Oh my god.
And you just suck it up. Suck it swallow.
Me not do the.
Suck it swallow.
I don't want no pot, no
Suck it swallow. I am names are still in them. Same names in them.
Ooh, this or that. No, but why can't I do that?
Wait.
These are good. I'll hold that thought.
Ripe plantain. Me have to have it fried with bread. Me not do the boiled plantain. Me not like how it tastes. But fried ripe plantain and bread.
Is it that you
Bad.
had it when it was overripe? Because when
Like
it's
too ripe.
it's just ripe and it doesn't reach right to you.
Yeah.
It's in your
And it's
body.
swallow.
When you're too ripe, too pluck.
Pluck up. Every time.
Yeah. But I like only two ripe.
This or that. White yam or yellow yam?
White yam.
Yellow yam.
White yam and salt mackerel. White yam and salt
You hear me
fish.
ask that question, I'm going to be very biased. You can't choose another one.
No, you have to choose one.
You see,
You
white
have to choose
yam,
one.
you see, you got a country, and you got dead yard. And you go somewhere you drive up in your great-grandfather yard, and you go for just take off the pattern of the
Must be
stove.
grandfather.
No, man, it's my grandfather, my mother's father. Deal up with the white
You have to choose one.
Something like that, brother. You see, you go stand deal up with the white yam that hours a morning there, with some saltfish and some tomato and sitting bread.
Rababa.
You see, when the steam come out, oh,
When white yam
it's different, man. But there's not Latina, but there's the yellow yam. So the yellow yam, you go down in the soup,
And you roast
so you
it.
go down in the pumpkins and you roast it.
And you put in your saltfish. And you beat it up. And you put sprinkle salt on it. And Tulani me come from, you know. And Tulani me come from.
And you know say, me not do the yellow yam in a soup.
Where you come from?
I'm gonna really like the roast yam.
Who are you?
Make way in the video. Me not gonna
Look more.
But the yellow yam,
roast yam.
but the yellow yam with the salt mackerel or the saltfish, boil good.
You not eat roast yam?
I'm gonna tell you something. It's a yellow yam now. It's a yellow yam not dry when it boil.
If it dry,
if it not dry, me no want.
You know like when it gummy.
But
If it dry.
dry.
Ooh, where you come from? I
I'm
can't.
ring that. I'm get a friend of my band in the back.
Hey.
Them never know.
And Tulani me come
You
from.
know say,
Some of them.
you know what people talk about? Oh, yam if it dry. Me not really know what I'm talking about.
What you mean?
It just dry. You're not going to taste
some
some gummy.
You know, go and get some. You want to cut this, you can
You can see it. You can white this in it.
Yeah, the minute it's dry. So guess what? When it
But me
turns
like
out,
that
it take the gravy and some better when you have to do the food. It's like
Where you come from?
choose up.
No, DJ. I can't get a come from it.
No, because I was from a country there, but I was down there. Whatever summer I was down there. Hello?
You know different type of yam. What's your middle sort of yam? You have pum pum yam, Sylvan yam, you have pepper yam, moonshine yam, you have white yam, you have maca yam, you have pakana yam, renta yam. Hey! Renta you have pum pum yam, you have the socky swallow, the Sylvan. You have the yellow yam, you have the white yam, you have the renta yam, you have multiple yam. You know the moonshine yam, that is the Sylvan yam. When time you plant it at a certain time, and with the moon and blah blah blah, it come out purple.
Purple yam?
Purple yam, you like?
Sweet potato?
Purple, no, yam. It's a white yam.
Like that.
It's the white yam, and it turns purple.
So when I boil it in a food, it's purple.
Hey, purple.
And the sweet potato.
I know sweet potato, a yam.
This are the sweet potato, Irish potato.
You know say that me
Sweet
want
potato. Sweet potato.
You know say me go say I love both of them, but when it comes to salt mackerel,
You love a
salt mackerel and saltfish, and one of them do the
Irish.
No, but pause. You never tell me what you choose if a white yam or yellow yam.
Me just white yam.
But you choose.
No, I said it is that.
She said white yam, but sometimes when once you put in a soup, she choose yellow
I love
yam.
it two of
You have
them,
to
but
choose one.
no, Mr. I love it two of them, but you have to give me white yam.
Okay. Me I choose the yellow yam.
So I'm gonna say this now. Irish potato, sweet potato. Use the Irish.
Sweet potato,
use
sweet
the
potato.
Irish. Why Irish for me, my love? Some about sweet potato, two strings.
But the sweet potato, it good for you. You know the sweet potato is extremely good for you.
Yes. The help
The burn, remember chest, no.
Irish potato is extremely bad for black
because
people.
it's too much starch.
Yeah. Sweet potato are good for you.
So now the Irish potato, it does verse. You do anything with she. You put she, you boil her, you push
Fryer.
her, you fry her, you dip her, you
Mash her.
you mash her down, you kick her down, you not a hard girl for dead man.
Hard girl for
Where's
dead.
the man?
But you know,
love
say,
mashed sweet potato.
you know, say, yeah, with the sweet potato,
But you know, if you eat too much of the sweet potato, it also has an effect.
Everything.
I have been trying to implement more sweet potato in my diet. Because the whole bad Irish potato is, I try. And sometimes I don't get that bad with the salt, my friend, all the saltfish.
I love sweet potato. Nothing there.
Chocolate.
Alright, what could go again? This or that. KFC or Burger King?
Jamaica or
Jamaica, of course. Couldn't know it else.
boy, I'm not saying that, but me love my Burger King in Jamaica. I wasn't a fan of KFC, but I eat now. But it wasn't until I was pregnant where when I smelled the chicken, I really wanted it. But before that, my go-to was Burger King.
When I was in Jamaica, my go-to was Burger King too. But I really enjoyed Zinger.
The Zinger good for true. The
I
barbecue.
love the barbecue Zinger straight up. But me always go Burger King.
KFC hurt my belly.
Even in Jamaica?
KFC made me sick.
Even over here?
Right across the border. KFC,
No, agree with them again.
one piece of chicken and a toilet in there.
No, sir. I feel put one good mojo there.
But then go to your KFC.
I'm gonna tell you something I eat. Me not eat KFC. But Burger King, But you see the only thing I'm gonna eat, me that sacrifice my belly for that and the toilet for that. The barbecue and the spicy wings. No, me eat that thing. Barbecue and spicy wings from KFC. Me sacrifice the toilet for that.
Jamaica food box. Jamaica KFC is the best I've had. I've never gone to any country and have any good KFC.
Facts.
Intense or water, you know
I
them?
don't know who them I water.
You know, I
I know what intense about it. I don't know what I think there.
Imam song, man.
You know what I'm saying?
Why song? Why song there?
But that's how we when the dance, fam.
You know what?
Imam song, man. You just never know what's happening.
I saw in the middle.
I
Intense.
know what intense, but I don't know.
Alright, next. Moving on.
Sorry.
We have our intense shows. Intense. This is intense.
Mama, yeah, they get the coochie wet. I better stick to TikTok. You mean that without disrespect. I was a virgin before I met you, baby. I don't have an ex. Thought I told you bitches.
Buddy, we're having.
She works tonight by the water. She's gonna stress so far away from her father's daughter. She just wants a life for her baby. All on her own, no one will come. She's gotta save him. She tells him, oh love, no one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my love. Nobody matters like you. She tells him your life ain't gonna be nothing like my life. You're gonna go and have a good life. I'm gonna do what I've got to do. So rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye. I'm gonna rock a-bye, baby.
We're back. Paradise.
May not quote come forward. Me not did a prank song.
But me not no relationship, but me no want that. Me no want no scrapping.
You're not gonna look cute.
Yeah. I watched a couple in you know what a foreign gay couple Nay Meet and Nay whatever. And you see before Meet break up with Nay, she was running some very serious mean joke.
Me not do that.
And a week later she break up with her.
Is that them catch them practice? Oh no, it's just a joke.
You know what I'd like is if you're there with me and you don't like me anymore, just make me know. You don't want to do it anymore.
Plain and simple.
I don't want nobody playing a game like, you know, you can't stand me and you pretend. Yeah. Don't do it.
Plain and simple.
Just say, alright, not interested anymore.
I'm just not interested anymore.
That go hurt me. But we put on my big girl panties. And I put on my big girl panties.
And take it.
But don't stay with me. You get so annoyed till you have to go to with somebody and you keep on the tell the person so she you don't like her no more no. You don't want.
But me just a stay because and I like them some of them. If it done, it done. Okay.
It's good. You know that's sweet.
Wow. You put the syrup on it?
No.
It's really good.
Yeah, man, with syrup right now.
Wow, this really nicely. The top part have a crunchy thing to it, like a honey or something.
We think it's not gonna be very soft, but it's not soft.
But what's that center thing? You taste it? You taste it only?
I think, but you don't know what.
I'm not sure I could be that. Yeah, it's I like one custard.
Wow. I love custard.
Ooh.
Japanese.
Custard cake. Custard
Then
pie.
could I cut up this off as strawberry?
I'm gonna get everything the whole experience.
Relationships are a hell of a thing, you know.
Hell of a thing.
Good to have, but sometimes can be hard.
To maintain it.
I've not had good relationships around.
Oh, you never seen like good positive relationships. And you know so that fuck you up?
Of course, fuck me up.
That fuck up people, you know? But you don't have no positive example. Or anything close to one positive example. Because no relationship is easy. No relationship
Like the crunching.
You taste it, you don't like it? Try with dip it in the syrup.
And the crunching on the moon. You don't like the crunching on the moon.
You don't like it? Dip it over in the syrup.
Me I go flip it, but I don't want the crunchy over there. I know the taste.
And it's a crunchiness.
Never usually know. Japan have this thing where they have some small sugar on it. This dessert with small sugar on it, and I can't have it because it's too crunchy.
You're not a crunchy girl.
I mean, so, I haven't really had any wonderful, exemplary relationship. And that's what I mean, never really say me want to marry. A girl asked me that day, do you want to get married? I mean, say, it's a big thing. It's not that I won't get married, but I really
want
think about it.
I get that.
Because I stand myself to somebody forever. But I hope that it's forever.
That's true. Man, I see perfect relationship. I see struggles, I see good time, I see bad time. But I see relationships at work.
You're not going to see no perfect relationship. If it's perfect, that means you have to run from it. But I never see. When I look at the woman in my life, I don't see them with no man with them married. Well, nowadays, but back in the day, I don't see nobody when married.
Second down at me.
I don't see it. The other day, one of my friends got married, and that's the only friend that got married.
So when you plan to get married?
You have to find the person first now. And you plan to get married. It's not your decision. Drink water for that.
That's what bread?
Bread can't eat with anything.
It's a Miss Birdie bun.
Never.
You know what time Miss Birdie bun? It's a one with the whole heap of fruits in it. That's something, man.
No like a bag of fruits.
Me love the bag of fruits. Miss Birdie bun? Bad.
Bread any day. I have one place named Coleyville. We sell bread. We have bulla her bread.
But I go with bulla. Bulla and cheese.
Bulla! Not choose bulla.
Bula. Bula and pear. I don't know if it's pear.
How do a bread or bun?
Bread, any day. Peace out.
Bye.
Cheese. I'm gonna say cheese, I don't know why.
So we came out for a party tonight. And it's now 12 o'clock. What happens at 12 o'clock? Train stop.
We just walk and we cute.
On a journey.
Right now, me there on a journey. Give me out to some people when I earn it.
Hey, right for what? Right for what? Right for what? You know, hold you like shot. Right for what? Get out them back. Hey!
We missed the train. And now we're trying to find a taxi to get us to Yokohama.
Go home and watch
Netflix and some popcorn.
No, have you all no go on in the
You see that? You see the taxi here? So we tell the man to go the fastest route. Based on the maps, we have 6 minutes.
I want 7 minutes.
7 minutes. But you see that meter there? Meter there 2,200 now. Right,
No, but I would have brushed your bag.
we made it and it's 3,300.
Just get in there.
I know, right? 3,300. Arigato.
You know which club there?
Alright. Which party in point you say? Alright, we're gonna find club now. But me tell you some more about the club, you know, the upscale.
Upscale now.
Cause we can't make it.
But this is another time.
Random is upscale.
I know, because I have $5 up.
Yes.
It's 1-2 minutes walk, it says.
Yes.
So we're gonna get down.
Everybody, you know, it's Kitty Vibe in the building. Remember to hit that subscription button. You know, we're done in a Japan and everything. Me and my friend them outside for the spring. And this is my friend. And my friend is also behind the camera.
Videographer.
So today we're going to do the epic challenge, the popular challenge. It's a flip the butter challenge where we eat a lot of food. I'm gonna feel like I'm gonna be the winner.
No. Una thing.
Let's see.
Let me try again. No, no worries.
I mean, have it.
Alright, let me see.
Catch us inside, guys.
Hi, so we're going to do the rock, scissors, paper challenge. If you know Japan is very famous for, you know, janken, they call it, rock, scissors, paper. So we're going to do rock, scissors, paper. The winner will eat the taco that's here.
Two each time. Each time they get 2.
You know, like,
So you have to dig for either the big one.
yeah, alright, ready?
But you have to, no, make it spice up. You have 5 seconds to take up a 2. Or 3 seconds to take up 2. 5 seconds, but you want to go 3. 3 seconds to spice it up. If you get it, you just get it. 5 seconds, yeah, 3 seconds. You're so bad.
Okay.
You know what? No. 3 seconds.
Let's go.
Already? Don't be anxious.
Rock, scissors.
They do rock, paper, rock, scissors. Rock, scissors, paper.
Let me do.
Do you have to go so?
Rock, scissors, paper.
1, 2, 3.
Okay?
Rock, scissors, paper. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Bumbo class. What is it one? That's for the juice. Yeah, we can know. Alright. We're not saying nothing, Kijani. We're not saying nothing.
Thank you.
Oh, the side of French fries. Get up some of the menu, boss. I got some. I will never drink so much of the song, honey. Oh, so should I give this? As a main course. As main course. Arigato.
Oh, you mean it's like that?
Yeah, arigato. You want to put in an order for this something? Yeah. Eh? Wait, me want one. Me say if you want to put in an order for you.
Go.
We ready?
Ready, let's go.
A rock, scissors, paper, right?
Ready.
You go with the one there. Girl, put the camera in your bag. Do me a bit. Because you drive the camera off at me. Say, camera, bust your while I know.
I told you that, baby.
Man, I see camera bust a whoosh. Just fix up the camera.
I don't even account properly.
Yeah. Put the camera up in your bag. Do me a bit. Listen, where you say you got the camera up on the table? All the juice and the water nearly that's it.
Alright, make good eat.
Everything get fucked with our meat. Me never saw young blood there for check them out.
Ready, let's go.
Alright. Ready?
Go.
Ready?
Please.
Rock, scissors, paper, 1, 2, 3. Bumba rock, scissors, paper, 1, 2, 3. Pussy clap, 1, 2, 3. Take a part two.
Hey, 3 seconds.
You want to do about 3 seconds. It's not my brain, my brain now.
I go, ready? Rock, scissors, paper, 1, 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, rock, you know, just, I want to go here, but you never win, you know. You take away your hand because you try with it. With that paper, with that. We must say 1, 2. You see one time, you see him, we just say 1, 2, 3 again.
But that, me say move me hands up. I lose, you lose.
You don't lose.
When is the 1, 2, 3, so
Let's go. Rock, scissors, paper, 1, 2, 3.
And a fourth above one.
Another one.
I never think that what.
Another one.
I want big. I'm one.
Okay. Okay, come on, I'm gonna get no more.
I'm too big one. She need that. Then I want for there's a 1, 2, 3 something though.
Wow.
Like a 3, 2, 1.
Okay, let's go. Ready? Rock, scissors, paper, 1, 2, 3.
What's that?
Okay, rock, scissors, paper, 1, 2, 3.
What's that? 3, 2, 1. You want again animal? Sorry. Just say all the cheese move off by the plate, throw it down in there. Let's go.
I'm hungry. Is this sweet, is it? Rock, scissors, paper, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Stamina so cheap.
Yo, that's a grab of me. I want to yeah, no, cause me again, you know.
Hello, this is me on this every country. This a confront.
What the drink?
Where's that one with the freedom?
Let's go. Give me one to go, boy.
Feel what the polygon one is. Let's take some more. So the man come. Interview. Now you after this.
Hey,
Internet.
me say, Chinita, you lock out the video.
No,
I think the movie. No, me mean like, no. To 6 pocket camera,
Hello, me can't set a call. My problem will drop it.
Hey, because you're a girl.
Because, man,
You got cheese move.
these, listen, man, these are account fast.
Exactly. Feel now.
It's not get time to grab up the thing. But on that train, grab a few of the memo now.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, internet.
Oh, well, Alexi.
So that's like, come. We don't do water, I'm not doing water. Come on, I kid you water. We're in the intermission.
This is funny.
Of a refill.
Ready? Let's go.
Ready?
Rock, scissors, paper, 1, 2, 3.
Stop.
Rock, scissors.
Hold on. Hello, me hungry. Come on, man. No wicked, yeah?
Yeah, let's go.
Come on, skip, you know.
Okay.
I'm saying.
Ready?
Come on, skip, you know.
Rock, scissors, paper.
Wait. Sorry, let's go.
Rock, scissors, paper. 1, 2, 3.
What to say? This is what I'm
Can we go back chicken?
Yeah, you can give me a chance to put this up. More. I'm going to tip him. Rock, scissors, paper. 1, 2, 3. You know, get all the fucking time. Jeez, come on.
Sorry.
Rock, scissors, paper. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh,
You never realized. You never realized. You never realized.
you must be willing to get your hands dirty.
Right, this is the video.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Take care, guys.
Yeah. Big mama, big mama.